guys! So as you can see, I did move. We are in the new house now. Everything went smoothly. I'm actually going to show you my Essential Rewards order for the month of April. And I also had a quick order from the very end of March, and that came at the very end of the month. And show you guys what I got. Lavender. I'm not going to go into detail about lavender. You guys know. Must have. Peace and Calming. I need this guy as well. Valerian. Now this oil, this has been out of stock for a couple of years. It's a very earthy aroma. It is from a root, the Valerian root oil. So this will help you sleep awesome. It knocks me out. Just kind of like root oil or ruta oil. This helps just sleep soundly. I believe I got something else in my quick order from March for free, but these three were free. I needed everything sleep and calming, peace and calming. So I got those three for free. Now into my actual box for April. Seedlings, their Seedlings line for babies came back in stock. And I absolutely love the smell of those wipes and the baby oil. They've been out of stock on, it was the baby wash and shampoo they've been out of stock on. And it's tear-free. And I have made my own baby wash out of like the Castile soap and the honey and the oils. I do lavender and gentle baby in mine, but I really wanted to try theirs. So I ordered that. This is the baby wash and shampoo. And it is tear-free. Tear-free. So, just in case you were concerned about that like I was, it is tear-free. So, this is what the bottle looks like. It is 8 ounces. That smells so good. So, this has the oils: lavender, marigold, coriander, bergamot, ylang-ylang, geranium. So, this is gonna be so nice. Definitely gonna have to use that tonight. This was free. So these are the Young Living wool dryer balls. You're not able to order these separately. I did look and I did not see them on there when I went to place my order. They come in this cute little bag. I believe there's 4 of them. Yep. They're just little wool dryer balls. So you would drop, I do like a drop or 2 per ball. It's really preference on how many you want to do. I usually will do 2 drops on 2 balls, so like 4 drops total per load. It really depends on how big the load is too. Oh, they're little, so they got lost. So I'm really glad I got these. That was free. I don't know if I said that. Yes. Okay. Thieves Dishwasher Powder. So this is 1 pound or 16 ounces, and it's a fine ground like powder, so you can actually measure it out. So it says 1 scoop or 2 scoops for heavy loads or with hard water. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop. Don't know, oh, there is a scoop in here. Show you guys what it looks like. We'll learn together. All right, so that's 1 scoop, and it looks like that. I don't know if you can see it very well. There you go. Yep. So it's just a nice fine powder. The ones that I make, I do have a recipe that I make personally, like a Thieves dishwasher tablet, and I've also ground it up as a powder as well. It tends to clump up, so I'm gonna try the one that Young Living makes and oops, and see how I like that one. It should be awesome to try with the new dishwasher too. So it's easier to get it out of the end with the caps versus the bottom because it's larger. Ooh, grounding. I did purchase this one. I haven't smelled it yet. Oh, I like that. This has been out of stock the past couple times I've tried to order it, but that's really nice. Will be good to diffuse right now, actually. And tea tree. I believe this one was free. So tea tree oil, love that. I do still have some. Fennel was also free this month. It's actually going to be a gift to a friend. Gentle Baby. Guys, I use Gentle Baby and lavender in pretty much everything. If you did not know that already, check out some videos. Ooh, Blue Cypress. I haven't tried this one before. I got it because it's supposed to be good for really dry skin, and my skin has been really dry. I don't know if it's the weather change or the pollen and my allergies. I don't know if you can hear my voice and my congestion that I have going on, but oh, that smells nice too. But I'm definitely gonna try some Blue Cypress. Even parts of my face are dry, so I'm gonna incorporate that into my moisturizer, and hopefully that will help with this dryness that's happening. Also got Basal Vitality, and that is great. They're actually really concentrated, so you can actually use a toothpick and just put a toothpick in whatever you're cooking instead of a whole drop, because they are, like I said, really concentrated. So that one was free. Oh, sweet. Okay, so this is the Copaiba Vanilla Moisturizing Shampoo. Now it's made for like thicker hair, or coarser hair, I would say. Or just somebody that needs more moisture in their routine for their hair. I do have the conditioner already, but I did not get the shampoo at the time because I was still making mine. I actually stopped doing a whole bunch of DIY before I moved as well, just because I needed to condense and not have so many things everywhere. But this smells really good. Oh, that is awesome. This does say all hair types. All hair types. Smells amazing. I'm gonna give it a try. I do like, I want to say the conditioner is just very thick, but so I just use a little bit. All right, more Thieves Aromabright toothpaste. I don't need to mention that. That's just one of those must-have staples. Oh, this is the pump that goes with the Seedlings baby wash. So that pump goes on here. So I'm gonna do that right now so it's ready. Pump. Got it. I'm excited about this too. This is the linen spray. I have used the Seedlings baby wipes in the dryer, which makes all of the baby clothes smell absolutely amazing. The linen spray you can just spray directly on crib sheets or pack and play sheets or something like that. Pretty much anywhere you want to spray things or freshen up, you can do that. Okay. So I just spilled a bunch of the liquid and more, but that was definitely my error, I think. Okay, but yes, that was definitely my fault. As I was pulling that apart, I twisted it off, so, but it does smell really good. Spray is actually really nice too, so don't discount my operator error. There's nothing wrong with the packaging. It's my fault. So this is gonna be really nice to spray on the crib sheets later. Oh, and the baby lotion too. Oh, I didn't even say. So the linen spray is 2.7 ounces, which mine's probably like 2 now. And the baby lotion is 4 ounces. Which again, I had made up my own baby lotion. And I did have like a lavender bedtime spray, but I'm sure it's different. That's a nice, really small opening too, so it's not gonna get absolutely everywhere. That's nice. That's a pretty thick lotion too. I love the Seedlings oil blend. It's just amazing. Now I have a box inside of a box here. Try not to knock anything else over. Essential Edge for the month of April. So I ordered the full Seedlings Bundle plus all of those individual products I just showed you. So the Seedlings Bundle comes with all of those. All right. It's so cute. So that's the back. Woo. See all the goodies, which I'm not going to open this basket right now, but so it comes with this basket. It's actually pretty, it's durable, but it has a little bit of flexibility with it. It has a little towel. This is the baby wash, which has a little pump right here. The baby wipes, baby oil, which I have, which I'm actually running low, so that's really good. The diaper rash cream, which I'm excited to try that as well. The linen spray. I believe that's the lotion. Yes, towel and washcloth as well. So, you know, anybody who's having a baby or you need a baby shower gift or something, you could do this whole thing if they're a really great friend, or you could break it up, split different products with people, but the bundle is the best deal when it goes to purchasing the Seedlings products or Seedlings line. So I'll definitely leave down below what was free and what was not. So I'm going to get back to cleaning, but I wanted to make sure I got my video up for you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Thanks guys. Bye. Cool. Okay. See, or don't see. Today's the day of struggles. My gosh. There we go. Woo. Okay. Trying to open it, show you guys what the pump looks like. Yeah, that was my error. As I twisted that off, I twisted the whole lid off. So, my fault, but now you're aware. It smells really good.